Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up donations for your OBS studio where you stream maybe on Twitch or something else, but I focus now for Twitch. And this is very simple. There is one site that you need to know, and that is TipAstream. I'm using this for a very long time and I like the way how they work with every single setting that you need. So please go to TipAstream. From here, log in, click on start, what you like, but I already logged in, so I go to dashboard. When you don't immediately logged in, please create an account or check on YouTube how you can create an account. But if you can see it just right here, this is our dashboard. Now, I didn't stream for 8 years, I think, on this channel, this channel. So there's nothing that you can see from here. Now, if we go to our alert box V2, that is the place where we can set up our donations. All right, first we want to create box. And right here you see your edit system. And please don't be scared. There are a lot of options, but there is just maybe 3 or 4 things that you need to know, and then the rest will follow. All right, just right here, we can change the image if you want that by clicking here, and yeah, you can upload a file just from your PC. For me, it's not necessary. I like to add maybe this picture, and yeah, that is now we change the picture when someone donates us. Yeah. A lot of settings just right here, but for me it's important to move it very simple on this way, and then you can place it just right here. We can also add a sound if you want now. So now if I want to change the sounds, we can click on that, then do my files, then do this, then do downloads, and right now if you want to add something, let's add this, upload. And now if we do play. There it is. All right. So now we added a nice song that we like. And now we can go further by the next step, and that is the text. All right. For me, it's necessary that I always add the text in it. For subscriptions with just a name, and so please keep this in the description. Then we can also do that for the resubs with the months. So I like the way how they are placing it just right here, but you can also change it to resubs for my channel, something like that. You can change it whatever you want, but now this is fine for me, so I won't change a lot of this. Then we have some other options, but right now I'm just showing you how to set up something like this. This is the setting where you can change literally a lot, so please take your time and check this out. Now we want to add this page, so this little thing just right here in our OBS. Right now we want to launch it, and now if we click on this, we can select this link right here. Now, if I throw my OBS just right here, we want to add something in my screen here, and then we go to browser. Now, give it a name, maybe something, maybe something like donations. Now, go further. Now, we want to add the link just right there. And now, if I do OK, you will see this window just right here. And right now, if we will, I will show it you with a little window. And right now, if I do simulate alerts, and we do Twitch subscription, and then for now, new sub, you can see it just right here in our OBS that we just received a new subscriber. So it definitely works just right here. And this is how you set up a donation in your OBS. But for now, we want to earn our donations. So now if we go back and we go to settings, you can see that you need to enable PayPal. Yeah. So if you click on something like this, then you do I'm a business, then fill in all your details that you need. And from now it's this many details because I clicked on MasterCard or my bank account. So then you will see a lot of options. But when you just couple your PayPal account, that is the last thing that you need to do. Then you won't see that many options. Alright guys, it is a long video, but this is exactly how it works. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, I wish you a very, very good day. Ciao.